Look at this, everybody. Right here. That's when she was last on the road, 2016. It's a L48, 1976 Corvette. Look at that. Original wheels. It's an anniversary edition. John here, he's already took the initiative to start cleaning it up to show me how good she looks. And it doesn't look bad considering it's all original. Here's the interior, the door panels, the seats. Look at this, everybody. There's the dash. I don't know if you can see it. Speedometer. Tack. Just needs cleaned up. Oops, sorry about that. There's a Mustang, everybody. She likes the climate controlled look. There's the heat. I wish that system was in that car. That's, you know what I mean? Could you imagine? Runs pretty good. You can see that little bit of a mess, but it runs pretty good considering. Very nice. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. The pro you need to know.